For today's response to reading, you will need to sign on Schoology and find the assignment you see here. This week, we have talked about the story Ye Xin, a Cinderella story from China. Earlier today, we talked about the overall message that came with that book. Let's review that now. The message is, a person's goodness will always shine through, even in difficult circumstances. People who do evil deeds will be punished. Selfishness and jealousy lead to trouble. So, what you need to respond to is the question you see here. Do you agree or disagree that the sentences above are a good message describing the story that we read? Explain your answer with examples from the book. In order to help you explain your answer, there are some questions here that you can think about. Who is the good person in the story? What are the difficult circumstances? Who is the person being selfish in the story? Who is the person that did an evil deed? Think about the story and use your thinking to answer this question with 5 sentences. When you're done, check for spelling, punctuation, and any grammatical errors before you click Submit Assignment to your teacher.